Right guys, we're just going to show you shiny leather, and we're going to show you how the leather repair company leather cleaning pad works. Completely natural. Well, I say completely, 90% natural plant material this is made from. So we're using LRC1. Just simply spray on and just gently wipe over the surface to clean your leather. If you've got really ingrained, very dirty ingrained leather, then you really do need to use one of the leather repair company brushes, either the natural horsehair brush or something like the Tampico or Brukel cleaning brush to get really deep down into the grain, because otherwise, you know, any other type of material that's going to do that is just going to damage the surface, whereas the natural brushes are designed specifically to clean deep into the leather without harming them. Just look at the amount of dirt that's coming off there. That is absolutely staggering. Look, you know, that's obviously your clean side, that's your dirty side, and that is just absolutely amazing, the amount of dirt that this leather repair company leather cleaning pad is pulling off the surface of this stressless chair. So I'm just going to do this small section for you just to show you exactly how good it is and how effective it is and how easily it works, and then we're going to peel away the tape to show you the differences between the two sides. Just wipe away all the dirt. As you can see, you can clearly see there where we've gone up this edge here, where you can see where we've cleaned up to, the difference between on this piping area, you know, and obviously all the dirt that's coming off on the cloth, and you can see where it's coming through the pad as well, you know, from the other side. It's certainly pulled away an excessive amount of dirt that's on there, but I mean, that's quite remarkable that you can sort of see, you can clearly see that if I move that out of the way, where we've gone up to down this bottom edge here, and just look at that transformation. I think that's actually quite remarkable. Look at that. That is a natural, 90% natural plant material. There are no harmful products in this. It's 90% natural plant material, along with LRC1. That is phenomenal. The leather repair, leather cleaning pad.